at my newest listing in Kirkwood. This is 2276 First Avenue, and it's a fully renovated, beautifully done, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home overlooking Hawks Hollow. We are perched way above the street, and we have just the most beautiful porch that overlooks a serene background that makes you really feel like you're in the mountains. This seller purchased the house, really went above and beyond, and has completely renovated this beautiful home so that kitchens are new, bathrooms are new, floors are new, exterior is painted. Everything that you can imagine has been taken care of on this home to the most meticulous level. Just off the entryway is this lovely formal living room, and what I love most about it is that it can be really utilized for so many different purposes. It would make an awesome office, a perfect little playroom, or a music space, or you can use it as a more formal living space. So it just gives you so many extra options. We're now in the kitchen, which is completely renovated, all new cabinetry, soft close, beautiful quartz countertops, all new appliances. Every detail has been taken care of. You can see there's gorgeous hardwood floors that have been completely refinished throughout. We also have this gorgeous living room that comes right off of the kitchen. That's your secondary living space. Large windows, all completely new, a completely redone fireplace so that now it's gas logs. It's an easy push button on with a really modern, beautiful surround. Laundry is also on this floor, and a gorgeous half bath on this level. We're now upstairs in the primary suite, and the beautiful thing is, because we're so high above the street, that the views from all of these windows is just really spectacular. Everything has been completely updated and refreshed. The bathroom is completely remodeled, gorgeous oversized shower, double vanities, beautiful tile work. It has a custom closet that's a walk-in closet. And in addition to this primary suite, there are 2 additional bedrooms and another gorgeous updated bathroom on this floor. Well, you know this is my favorite spot. So this front porch is extra large, so you have room for seating. You could even have a table out here, and it's overlooking the most beautiful, serene area that it truly makes you feel like you're in the mountains. So another unique feature is that even though you're sitting high above the street in the front, your back access is directly off of Delano, so that you have an easy, flat access point into the back of the home. This is such a special property.